10 home-based business ideas. I'm going to share with you 10 home-based business ideas that you can do in 2018, and we begin right now. What's going on? Welcome to Business Idea and Entrepreneur Skills. My name is Hussein. If this is your first time here on this channel, please click on the subscribe button and the notification button so that you don't miss anything. And if you want to watch the previous videos that I've made on business idea and entrepreneur skills, click on the link here so that you watch those previous videos that I've made. And stay to the end of this video so that you don't miss the best business idea that you can start while you're still at home. So let's start. The first business idea that I have for you today is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is selling certain products from another producer through email services. This is setting a certain series email that go one after the other that advertises certain product to the individual or to the target audience. So selling this kind of product, you can get or earn a certain amount of commission while you are still at home. This is a home-based business that requires you to set up followed series of email so that you sell certain product, and you must be also registered with Commission Junction as well as other type of sites that provide the affiliate marketing. So the next business idea that I have for you today, my fellow, is home-based service delivery. This is delivering products, being a deliverer. This is all about taking parcels, packages to the homes of individuals who require or who requested a certain package. It's also another type of business that requires you to start delivering or to make money out of it. So the next business idea that I'm going to share with you is maintenance, repair and maintenance business. You can start a repair and maintenance business of your own. This is related to repairing the roofs, repairing doors, repairing of certain broken parts, certain roofs, so that you may be able to start your business. The next business idea that I'm going to share with you, the home-based business idea, is that graphic designing, image and graphic designing. If you're one guy who is really talented in drawing certain logos or certain designs or certain arts that the clients will really admire by just the look, you can sell your own arts while you're still at home on your own website, and you can make money while you are asleep. You don't need even to go and sell them outside. All you need to do is that create your design and post on your e-commerce website, your own website, where you can generate money. So the final thing that I'm going to share with you with home-based business is social media consultancy. You can be one person who is going to represent a certain organization or a certain website in terms of spreading their message through the social media. This can be in terms of Facebook, in terms of Instagram, or any social media site that the client is going to choose. So that is the type of home-based business idea that is so much booming in 2018. If you really like my video, please click on the share and the notification button so that you don't miss anything. And if you have an extra idea that you feel that is a home-based business and that you are also generating some money, please share it in the comments so that everyone gets to know about it. So thank you for watching my video. I'll see you in the next video.